What is type selector? Well, with type selector, we can select all HTML elements with specific HTML element type. For example, with this selector, we can select all A or anchor HTML elements from our HTML document. Of course, you can use any other HTML tag. For example, you can use H1. This means that we want to select our H1 HTML elements. Or we can use span, which means that we want to use all span HTML elements from our HTML document.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.